Hey guys, welcome back to Bougie Doll Life. My name is Katrina, and today we're going to look at some doll stuff. So I was gonna put out an outfit video today. I ordered some Velcro from Amazon, put in the corner screen my status of that order. I'm still waiting on it. So I was like, I want to film something today. I want to do some Barbie things today. So I was like, why don't you just catch up on things you're planning to do that you haven't done. So what I haven't done is unbox some Barbie things that I bought that I've had for maybe a month or two, and do a head swap that I've been trying to do, and a Barbie makeover that I've been trying to do. So we're gonna do that all today. So let's go ahead and get into it. So first we're going to do the head swap. So I have this Naturalista. I have Dana, and that's how you say her name, and she's a hairstylist, and it has her information in the back. I did a full Naturalista review on Kelsey, and this is Dana. Dana is an LA native and owner of Naturalista's luxury hair salon. With a degree in business and training from the top beauty schools, Dana is a leading celebrity natural hairstylist, a businesswoman and celebrity favorite. Dana's much admired career has earned her the nickname the Coil Whisperer. That's funny. Dana's motto, be proud of your crown. She styles the wash and go, and her hair is 3C. So I'm gonna go ahead and put her on a made to move body, and honestly I'm gonna give her a haircut because I seen on my Froggy stuff for a clip where her hair was shorter, and I kind of want her to have like short curly hair, and I think that would be really cute for her. So I want to do that to her today. And for her body match, I'm going to be using this yoga doll. You guys know this as my doll Nina, but I bought another one to put on the body of Dana. So we're going to go ahead and do a head swap. So let's go ahead and do that. So I have Dana out of the packaging. She's in this beautiful dress, and she has flesh tone heels, and she's pretty much the same as most Naturalistas. Her face mold is a little more narrow, and I really love her makeup. She has like a purple eyeshadow, and she has a kind of like a burgundy lip, and I love her dress. We're gonna remove it to put her a robe because we do makeovers with a robe over here. So let me undress her, put her on a robe, and get her ready to get her body swapped with this doll right here. This doll's laying on the floor. Okay, so let's go ahead and get her out of this packaging so we can swap their heads. So while we're waiting for the water to get hot so we can do the head swap, let's go ahead and look at another Barbie item that I purchased that I have not opened. I've been planning on opening it for a long time, and that is the Barbie film director set. I found this in Tuesday morning, and I've been wanting to open this set for a very long time. So let's go ahead and get into it. So this is the Barbie film director set. It comes with a basic Barbie, and it pretty much has the clapboard for the Dream House, which I absolutely do love that show. I do watch it on Netflix, and it's part of the You Could Be Anything line for Barbie. And I love this because I like doing doll reels and little videos with my dolls. As you guys know, if you don't follow me on Instagram, follow your girl because it's fun over there. And let me show you guys the back. So this is the back of the packaging, and on the back it says, you play with Barbie, she imagines anything she can be. So in here she's a film director, and it shows everything that comes in the packaging. So let's go ahead and open it up. So this is the film director set out of the packaging. It comes with a director Barbie. She comes with a headset, and she comes with like a scope around her neck that has to do with filming, and an outfit that's super cute. I like how she's wearing a denim shirt and some denim pants. I really like that look on her, and she's wearing some white sneakers. It comes with this chair. Now this chair is really what I got it for real. And plus, you know, it's always good to have more doll headphones. I love doll headphones. I love music, and anything that has to do with headphones, I love it. Some people don't like it, but I love it. So to the chair looks very real, very realistic, and I love that. Absolutely love that. And then look at this camera. This camera's awesome. Look at all the details, like the buttons and all that, and it has a microphone and the lens. And I'm glad that it's not like a color that's not realistic, like pink or purple. It's a real color, and then it has a little handle right there for someone to hold it to be recording the doll, and it's so beautiful, and I love that. And I love how realistic it is. That's what turned me on to this set, was how realistic it is, and I cannot wait to use that. And also it comes with a little script that says confidential, which is so cute. It's cardboard, it's not really a script, but it's good for like if your dolls do reels or if you do doll play. This will be cute, like, you know, like a nice detail to your doll stories and things like that. And also this set comes with a clapboard that says Dream House, and then it says Scene 3, Take 9, Roll 59, BR 17, which is the scene, and then you go clap. So you're like, action. So I love that type of stuff. I think it's really cool. So that's the Barbie director film set. Let me know if you guys got this set, or if what you guys think about this set, if you guys are planning to buy this set. So now our water should be hot. So let's go ahead and get our doll ready to do a head swap. All right, so the water's hot. I'm gonna go ahead and dip her head in and just wait for it to get soft. The Naturalista's head takes forever to get soft, so I'm gonna have it in there for about a minute, okay? So I'm gonna check back in with you guys once I'm done dipping her head in the water. All right, so now that we have her on our Made to Move body, now let's go ahead and give her a little haircut, because I like the way it looked when I saw it on my Froggy stuff with the shorter curls. So I want to do the same thing with this doll. So I'm gonna go ahead and put a rubber band around her hair where I want her hair to stop, and I'm gonna go ahead and cut the hair around it. So I'm gonna show you guys how I do that. Right, so to put my doll's hair into a curly bob, I'm just gonna wrap some rubber bands around her head. I do have a dedicated video to this, but I will show it again on camera. So I just put the rubber band down to the length that I like on her neck, and then I just cut around a little bit longer because I want it slightly longer than the rubber band, and I just clip it to where it makes me satisfied and I like the length of it. Her hair cut to a shape that I like. I have the rubber band around it. I'm gonna cut this little piece of string that's in the front of her hair, and then I'm gonna go ahead and dip her hair again in the water. So we got the string off. All right, let's go ahead and dip her hair again. I don't want to take out the curl. I just want her hair to lay down and have the part more defined. So let's go back to the hot water. So this is how her hair looks, and I absolutely love it like this. I mean, I loved it with the long curly hair, but this is more my speed, and I absolutely love this on her, and I think it's super cute. So I'm gonna turn her around so you can see a full 360. And you know, I shaped it up really nice so it can look really cute in the back, and I love it. I think she looks so cute. So this is just an idea if you guys want to see a different look for this doll, and I absolutely love how it came out. So we had fun unboxing a Barbie accessory that I haven't opened yet, and we got to give a Naturalista a makeover. So hold on, wait one moment. Maybe we need to give her an outfit. All right guys, so this looks a lot better. So Grace has a dress on. She looks real cute. I love this. I can't wait to take pictures of her in this dress. I feel like this dress looks really good on her, especially with her haircut. I love it. Absolutely love it. So I'm gonna go ahead and take some Instagram pictures because this looks too good to not take a picture. So don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and leave a comment. Let me know what was your favorite part of this video, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.